Okay, not this one. I'm gonna blank that out. There's many ways to do roughing to take most of the material out of the part. Um, so, for instance, if you wanna rough that out, you use the option over here, choose all your surfaces. You choose your contour on if you wish, or you can be out, whatever you choose to do. Uh, let's see, and then you got this, you got that. Let's see, you ain't got none of that. That's one way. Uh, you can you go minus 1.5, and you can go, let's say, 100,000. This is aluminum, 6061 or 775. You want to cut that much, um, you can do that. Let's see. Okay, you see a lot of tool paths there, right? A lot of them for aluminum. I used to do that, not anymore. A long time ago, I changed my mind to doing that, to do that. So for now, nowadays, I do this. I don't do that anymore. So what I'm gonna do is that same tool path, I copy that and I put it underneath here, okay? I'm gonna blank that out so we don't see it. Now, what I'm gonna do is this. I got this. I choose constant. I choose finish. You got the auction finish, core, rough. You know, if you're using steel, you may want to use a rough so you can start cutting 35 thousandths at a time. I don't. It's aluminum, like I said. I just use the constant. I'm going to use the finish, and I'm going to use, let's say, how many times, how many passes? Just two of them. It's finished. It doesn't matter really. And your distance, it doesn't matter really either too. So if you go over here, watch, hold on a second. Let's choose 6 passes. And here we're going to choose 500. So now it's going to cut 500 at a time. And it's going to leave you a lot of material, right? Now, this is what it does. You get lots of material. You've got a big chunk of material. And now, right after that, you're going to be cutting from the bottom up. You're going to be cutting whatever left of material so it gets even. And then cut another 500 and cut all the way up because remember, you're gonna have a lot of material. This is a square. The tool is a square. It's not tapered. So you're gonna have that much of material here. So it's gonna start from the bottom. It's gonna start cutting like 35 thousandths at a time, going up. Now you can increase that step. Either you can go, let's say you got 30 thousandths over here. You go 10 times, and now you can go. You can see less steps. There you go. You see. Now if you want to see the movements of that, let's say, for instance, I want the biggest step over here. This is aluminum, like I said. Okay, you just go over here and they say, okay, I wanna go 250. Go ahead, 250 there. And now you're gonna see, okay, got 250 on that rougher over here. Took all the material, leave a square pocket over here, a square bus, I'm sorry. Now, but you're gonna, at the same time, it's gonna start doing some profile around the part to create a shape. Now, you're gonna see it now. Let's see it little by little here in simulation. I'm gonna tilt it. I'm gonna get closer. I'm gonna tilt it a little bit more so we have the chance to see it. So I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna simulate that just a little bit. Now, what this is gonna do? Okay, I gotta put that on top of the other. Hold on a second. That's another thing. You know, you see the finished part, so you're not gonna be able to see anything. So let's do something. Cimatron had to read that stock of the part in order to. So what I do is copy that, and then I put it over here, and that's it. Now I can just go over here, simulator. Now we can get, you see, it look like you're gonna be able to see most of it now. Make it a little bigger. That's an old software, but it does a very great job. Believe me, I make my living with this. I ain't got no problem with it. Yeah, it's gonna cut a half inch right away. You know, whatever way you wanna cut it, it's up to you. But now when it gets, it's gonna create a round bars in there. I thought it was square. Now look at it. It's gonna do a little bit all around the part. You see, and then it goes up, and then controls again, goes another step up, and then it goes out, and then get the control of machining again, another step, and so on. And that's the way it does it. And that's how you save time, a lot of time. Very 21 minutes. With the other way you will lose a lot of time. So we're gonna blank that out. We're gonna call the other one. Now if we're gonna simulate that. Well, it's not right because this is not 250, so I'm gonna change it to 250. So I'm gonna get out of here, say yes. Got to be honest on this. So let's go 250 over here, and 100 thousandths at a time. Let's see how long it's gonna take. And this one over here, we're gonna go simulator. That will be 56 minutes, almost 1 hour, and against 20 minutes. And that is the tip of the day. So I'll talk to you later, guys. Bye.